to prepare in a proactive way rather than reactive way.
We're here today discussing about branding and marketing, specifically for the University of Dar es Salaam.
What are things we can take out that we are marketing? What product do we have as a university that we can take out in the market?
We have noticed that there are a couple of gaps in terms of what the university or what the personnel of the university perceives itself as vis-a-vis what they want to be perceived as.
This workshop to be able to, my unit which deals with marine sciences, to overcompete other units in other universities in terms of students, in terms of research grants, in terms of all the other things, like to be like if a donor wants to come and work in Africa, should see this for marine sciences, I should go and work with.
How do you brand and market your services and how efficient it is? Social media, it is a powerful tool to brand yourself as a university and to send your message out there to the media. We didn't know the tips on how to advertise yourself and how to sell yourselves before this workshop.
There are very distinctive quite good number of products, this including education from students to different levels, as well as the Research Institute and public services in terms of what they do to the community at large, including government and whatsoever. So what I like about the exercise is they're quite sure and very knowledgeable about what they do. The most important thing is their core competence in terms of what they deliver to the market. So they're very clear and very distinctive marked. The question now is how do we bring them back to life? And how do we market them better? And how do we rebrand University of Dar es Salaam as a one-stop shop solution for all the research, talent, as well as public services.
So in order to be part of the top 10, we must know what our others are doing, so we can go as a team and run and be able to meet the standard. And I think, as we said from the beginning, the aspect of marketing and branding is very, very important. We talk about excellence, we want quality. All that is branding, and therefore quality in research, quality in teaching, quality in consultancy services, but most importantly, making sure that we are visible. And we have just been informed, myself included, which media will get us that visibility. So again, we are always, my office is always bombarded with that. Newspapers zinakuja zinasema tunafanya kitu hiki, tutangaze black and white, ni 2.5 black. Kiswahili pale ananipigia simu, tumeletewa hiki, should we advertise or do you do it? And I'm like, no, this year I've already done 3, 4, you guys do it. So again, you are informing me, we are going there, probably not the money-wise route. It's not value for money to spend 10 million in a newspaper where you could spend quarter of that and get a better a portion of your publicity.
We also realized that we need to go through social media in order to know who are our people out there, who are our main stakeholders, what are their needs, what are their problems. And if we manage to do that, we will definitely be in a position to strategize on how best we should do to address the challenges which they face in the communities, and at the same time market our products and services.
Most exciting thing to me, and actually which I have as a take-home message, is exactly to who are we selling our product or our service we have as the university. So it's basically it's a whole diverse of people in the society, and that is very important to us. Some of the people or the targets, actually we have been approaching them, but I think we have been ignoring the other part of the community that we should sell our product to. This is like the industry and the society is large. So yeah, that actually to me it was a take-home message. But also the media through which we should market university and the college.
What we learned in those few hours transformed us.
And if the University of Dar es Salaam continues the way it was 20, 30 years ago, it will basically be consumed by the competition. So it needs to continue to change, to become innovative, to basically shout out what the things it's known for, what the things that it's good at. Let the public know that you are the best in this, and take up the position being the best university. And I think these are some of the recommendations that we are basically tabling to the management. And if they are well taken care of, we believe that it's still going to be one of the best universities, not only in Tanzania, but in Africa.